Hi friends, today I was on a road trip. Basically, I went from Business Bay till MR South. So I thought, why not to make a round trip and show you how Dubai looks like on the roads. You'll be able to figure out what are the infrastructure around Sheikh Zayed Road, around Business Bay, and various other areas. So I have started from Business Bay, from my office in Bay Square, and I'm heading towards MR South. I'll take the route for MR South via Sheikh Zayed Road. That means E11. So this is Sheikh Zayed Road. I am in. On my left hand side, you can see the metro parallelly running over there. That's a metro line, and I'm heading towards Jebel Ali side, which side is Al Maktoum Airport. So you can see the infrastructure. You can imagine when you are investing over here in Dubai, you can actually imagine, you can recreate your vision for infrastructure value. So I'm heading towards Expo site. So you will see all the signage for the Expo sites. Now this was exit 39, that means Sukem Street. So if I'm taking Sukem Street exit, I'll go towards Burj Al Arab. And on my left hand side, this is Mall of the Emirates. Of course, due to the metro line, I cannot show you in detail, but yeah, some other day I will definitely like to show you Mall of the Emirates as well. So my whole idea about today's trip is to show you the entry and exit and the nearest landmarks from MR South. So I'm crossing the toll gate. On my left hand side, Al Barsha starts, basically, which is nowadays called as Barsha Heights. API Trio Tower. Once I cross Al Barsha, I'll be heading towards TCOM or Dubai Internet City, then Marina, JLT. So on my right hand side, this is TCOM. These are the hotel buildings. On my left hand side, this is Greens. MR Business Park is here. You can see Onyx Tower as well. So on my right hand side, that's Dubai Internet City. Dubai Internet City is the home to every IT company, the biggest IT company in the world, be it Microsoft, Facebook, you have Oracle, everything is over here. This is Aramco Tower. From here, Dubai Internet City actually starts. All these are the metro stations which is connecting both the sides of the Sheikh Zayed Road. Now this is the Dubai Marina, which starts from here, and on my left, that's the JLT, Jumeirah Lake Towers. Dubai Marina is mostly about residential buildings, hotel apartments, whereas JLT is mixed. It's commercial as well as residential. So on my right hand side, that's Dubai Marina. I'm not taking the names of these metro stations because you can only just imagine, okay, these are the metro already in place. And this is Dubai Marina Mall, Address Marina on my right hand side. Of course, these are the developments by Emaar. Isn't it amazing? Amazing infrastructure and amazing quality development. So after this, what I would do is I would take the exit from over here and I would show you another highway that's called as Emirates Road, and from there I would enter Emaar South. So right now I'm at Emirates Road, that is E611. We also call it as Truck Road. Actually, on my right hand side, Al Maktoum Airport is coming up. I'm not able to show you over here. This is the developments of Emaar on my left hand side. Now I'm entering towards Emaar South now. I have a meeting, so I'll finish my work and I'll continue my journey after this. And what I would do is I would take Mohammed bin Zayed Road, that means E311 after that. All this is Al Maktoum Airport area. So Emaar South is very near from Al Maktoum Airport. This is all the developments. This is Holiday Inn, and on my right hand side Aloft hotels are also there. So these hotels are fully functional, by the way. I have almost reached to Emaar South. It was actually very near from Business Bay. It was not that too far. Of course, in Dubai, within 15 to 20 minutes you are from this end to that end. That's the beauty of the infrastructure of Dubai. So I'll finish my work over here and I'll continue my journey again. You just stay tuned and don't leave the channel now. You can subscribe, you can like the video meanwhile, and I'll finish off my work and then I'll continue my journey. So now I'm taking the exit from Emaar South. It was really a great meeting. I think I have made already some videos on Emaar South, Urbana, as well as my previous tour of Emaar South as well. You can see all these are Urbana townhouses, ready for the handover. Some of the units are already handed over as well. These are the Aloft and Holiday Inn. Now I'm proceeding towards Mohammed bin Zayed Road. You can see the road signs, E311. What I would do is I would complete my round trip and I'll head towards Business Bay back again, and I would like to show you on the mean way that okay, I'm taking Al Khail Road as well. What are the developments across Al Khail Road? What are the developments across Mohammed bin Zayed Road? I've already showed Sheikh Zayed Road and Emirates Road as well. The entry and exit of Emaar South, everything is so cool. So these are the logistics centers. You can find any big company over here. You can see Landmark Group is already here, Noon just passed, Bakir Mohibi just passed. So huge logistics centers are here, their warehouses are here, and they have actually made a good presence in the Arab market basically. You might have heard about some of the earlier stories as well, that how a company grew from the sands and they are actually real valuable company across the world. They have proved themselves. So I'm now on the exit at Mohammed bin Zayed Road. So it is well connected to major highways, I would say. And people who are living and traveling often to Abu Dhabi and Dubai, for them MR South is the best. Apart from that, you can see IKEA distribution center is also here. So apart from that, Jebel Ali, Dubai Internet City or Dubai Investment Park, all these areas, people who are working over here, for them MR South is a perfect location, perfect choice. Gated community, MR community, what I would say. MR has proved themselves managing and delivering a good community. They manage the post sales service basically, so you don't have any problems over there. So I'm on the bridge, I'm taking Al Khail Road exit, and on my right hand side, this development is called as JVC, Jumeirah Village Circle. I have made some of the videos earlier as well for some of the properties in JVC, Jumeirah Village Circle. The master developer of JVC is Nakheel, and the tallest tower in JVC, you can see it was 5-star hotel actually. It's 5 Palm. So I'm crossing JVC now. I'm not entering this. I'll take the Al Khail Road exit and I'll straight away head towards Business Bay. JVC, you can see it's an amazing location. Very well connected to Al Khail Road, Mohammed bin Zayed Road. The near landmark is Business Bay, downtown. For JVC, its properties are very well affordable as well. So this is Dubai Hill State. Again a master developer MR, and you can see the developments. The community is getting developed basically. Handover of some of the townhouses, villas, apartments are still in progress, and some of them are already handed over. Amazing property, amazing location, Dubai Hill State. I would say a masterpiece. Great location. So at the moment you can see some of the developments. I can see the townhouses far from here. So I have almost reached Business Bay. You can see the skyline of downtown. I took the exit towards Business Bay. You can write in the comment about your reviews, about your more requirement, what kind of videos you are looking for. I would love to present those, and I'll make sure that I present those on time. Burj Khalifa, masterpiece. Every time I take the picture of Burj Khalifa, I think it is better than the previous one. That's the beauty of Burj Khalifa. and I'm pretty much sure that it's not only with me, it's with everyone. So I'm on this over bridge basically, wherein I will straight away land to Bay Square, to my office. So you can see how good the connectivity of MR South was, how good the connectivity of JVC is, and how good the connectivity of Dubai Hill State is. So everything is on the perfect location. So this is Business Bay. These are the developments of Business Bay. The master developer of Business Bay is Dubai Properties. Again, Dubai Properties is coming under the umbrella of Dubai Holding. I have made earlier one of the videos as well for Dubai Holding, so you can refer to that as well, about Dubai Holding. And on my right hand side, this upcoming building is Bay Square. Bay Square is completely developed and managed by Dubai Properties. You can see a tall building on my left hand side written as DAMAC. That's DAMAC distinction. It's a mixed hotel as well as residential apartment over there. And on my right hand side you can see DoubleTree. It's already there in Bay Square. Lot of DAMAC developments over here in Business Bay. Reva, Vera, all these towers are coming up. You can see these developments. This is Magistine. I think I have almost ended my trip. It was a great round trip from Business Bay to MR South and then back to Business Bay. Hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe this video, and suggest me what you want from me to make some more videos on it, and give me a call or WhatsApp if you have any queries about any development, about any properties in Dubai. Thank you.